Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode in order to get rid of things like screen locks. So I'll just mention this right now, and just so there is no misconceptions. When doing this, if you have a Google account and you won't basically do it through settings, but you're doing it through recovery mode when the device is locked, this will make the device be FRP locked. So it will become locked, and throughout the setup process, once the process is finished and you're just trying to set up your phone, you'll need to verify the old user through Google account or through PIN, pattern, or password, whatever the screen lock was set to. So that is what will happen for me. I'm doing this purposefully, but I'll also be making a video on how you can bypass this. If that is something that interests you, then stay tuned for the next video. Anyway, jumping back to this one, let's just lock the device. And you can see I do have a pattern here, and I'll progress with the process from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So hold power key, swipe down to power off the device. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. Now once the OPPO logo shows up, let go of the power key. From here, tap on your desired language. Select Format Data. Type in whatever code is showing up for you. It is randomly generated every time you press on this option. So right now it's 3069. If I go back and tap on it once more, as you can see, it now changed. So I'm going to select 33, 15, tap on Format, and this will begin formatting your device. Now this portion right here only takes a couple seconds, and there we go, it's already finished. So confirm by selecting OK. And this will reboot the device and continue the process in the background. So let's give it a couple minutes to finish up. So as you can see, the process just finished, and from here you can set up your device however you want. Now if your phone becomes FRP locked, like I mentioned before, the next video I'll be doing is how you can bypass this, assuming you don't know either method of unlocking it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.